You spent good money on synthetic oil. Don't ruin it with a cheap filter. Synthetic oil is built for long intervals and high performance, and your filter needs to keep up. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best synthetic oil filters of 2026 based on real research and hands-on testing. Built for extended drain intervals, tough conditions, and maximum engine protection. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8, the Bosch Premium is a filter that earns genuine respect, particularly for Honda, Acura, Nissan, and Infiniti owners running full synthetic. The Filtech Media technology is the headline here, engineered to capture and hold up to 14 grams of dirt and contaminants before they reach your engine. That's a hard spec, not a vague marketing claim, and it's impressive. The strong steel base plates and housings prevent warpage and fitment issues, because a filter that doesn't seal perfectly is worse than no filter at all. The silicone anti-drain back valve ensures clean oil reaches your engine on every cold start, and the metal spiral wound center tube provides the internal structural strength to handle synthetic oil pressure across extended intervals. This filter is built specifically for Honda, Acura, Nissan, Infiniti, Mitsubishi, and related applications. If that's your vehicle, this is a legitimate top-tier pick. If you're in a GM, Ford, or Toyota, the 7 filters above it are going to fit and perform better for you. Number 7 is the Mann oil filter, and if you've never heard of Mann, that's because they're enormous in Europe and fly completely under the radar here in the States, which means a lot of American drivers are missing out on one of the best OE quality filters available. For synthetic oil applications in European vehicles, that OE pedigree matters enormously because European engines are often engineered with tighter tolerances and more demanding oil specifications than their American counterparts. The engineering precision is immediately evident. Mann's bypass valves have clearly defined opening and closing characteristics. Oil flow through the filter is consistent and predictable regardless of temperature or pressure variations. High dirt holding capacity combined with minimal pressure drop is the technical balance that separates a genuinely premium filter from one that looks good on a shelf. If you're running synthetic oil in a BMW, Audi, Mercedes, or Volkswagen, Mann is the answer. For American and Asian vehicle owners, the top 6 picks will serve you better. At number 6, the K&N Select HP-10008 brings K&N's performance engineering philosophy directly into the synthetic oil filter category. And for the right application, it's an excellent choice. K&N built their reputation on maximizing airflow through filtration systems without sacrificing protection. And that same philosophy applies here. The HP-1008 is designed around exceptional oil flow rates, consistent high-volume delivery to your engine throughout the entire drain interval. The pleated synthetic blend media handles all oil types, including full synthetic, and the heavy-duty canister construction is something you notice immediately when you hold this filter. For high-revving performance engines and builds where oil pressure consistency is the priority, that's exactly the right trade-off. For everyday synthetic oil users who want maximum particle capture, the filters above it push filtration efficiency further. Right above it at number 5 is the K&N Select SO-10004, K&N's more balanced synthetic oil filter, and the one I'd recommend to most K&N buyers over the HP-1008 for standard synthetic oil applications. The SO-10004 finds the middle ground between flow performance and filtration efficiency that the HP-1008 trades for pure flow. You're still getting K&N's build quality and engineering standards, but filtration efficiency steps up here. 99% contaminant capture at particles greater than 30 microns, with up to 20,000 mile engine protection to match your full synthetic drain schedule. Universal compatibility is a genuine strength of this filter. It's designed to work with full synthetic, conventional, high mileage, and synthetic blend motor oils without any compromise in performance. If you're a K&N loyalist or a performance-focused driver who still wants solid filtration numbers alongside strong flow, the SO-1004 is the pick. Top 4 now, and the Purolator Boss opens this tier with a filter that is genuinely over-engineered. And I mean that as the highest possible compliment. The Smart Fusion Full Synthetic Media is built for up to 20,000 miles with over 99% dirt capture, matching the longest full synthetic drain intervals on the market without any degradation in filtration performance. That's the baseline. The construction details are where this filter separates itself. The PuroSeal gasket uses ethylene acrylic, a premium elastomer that maintains a leak-free seal across thousands of heat cycles far more reliably than standard rubber. The silicone anti-drainback valve stages clean oil in the filter between starts, eliminating dry starts entirely. And the heavy-duty Boss steel casing protects everything inside from physical damage during installation, operation, and removal. If it fits your vehicle, this is one of the most capable synthetic oil filters available at any price. The bronze medal goes to the Mobil One M1-110A. And the case for this filter is as straightforward as product logic gets. Mobil One makes the benchmark full synthetic motor oil. The same engineering team that formulated the oil designed the filter to work with it. Same chemistry requirements, same temperature ranges, and same extended interval targets. The M1-110A is built specifically for synthetic oil and the demands of extended drain intervals. It consistently performs at the top of independent filtration efficiency rankings for synthetic fiber filters, and the construction reflects a company that has an unusually deep understanding of what oil actually goes through inside a running engine: heat cycling, pressure variation, cold start stress, and long highway runs. If you're running Mobil One full synthetic oil, pairing it with this filter is the obvious, correct decision. The only reason it doesn't sit at number 1 or 2 is that the top 2 picks advance the filtration technology a measurable step further. But for any Mobil One oil user, this is the filter. Number 2 is the Fram Ultra Synthetic. The ultimate dual-layer synthetic media is what makes this filter elite. 2 layers of synthetic filtration working together, not as redundancy but as a system, provide up to 20,000 miles of engine protection across all oil types. The feature that truly distinguishes the Fram Ultra Synthetic from every other filter on this list, including some above it, is the silicone non-drainback valve and its hot oil resistance rating. Fram rates it at up to 3 times the resistance of standard valves. Here is why that matters specifically for synthetic oil users. Full synthetic oil runs at higher operating temperatures and stays thinner at those temperatures than conventional oil. When your engine is heat-soaked after a long drive, a standard drainback valve can allow oil to migrate away from the filter. The Fram Ultra's valve holds under those exact conditions, keeping oil staged and ready for your next startup. This filter earns its spot at number 2 convincingly. And the best synthetic oil filter of 2026 is the Wix XP. This is the filter that synthetic oil was waiting for. Wix has been building original equipment filters for vehicle manufacturers for decades. They understand filtration at a depth that most aftermarket brands never reach, and the XP line is specifically engineered from the ground up for synthetic motor oil. Built from scratch for synthetic oil chemistry, synthetic oil intervals, and the specific demands of synthetic oil users. The filtration media is next-generation synthetic blended with natural fibers. And here is the detail that tells you everything you need to know about the engineering quality. The structural integrity of this media is so high that it completely eliminates the need for wire backing. Premium filters from other manufacturers require wire backing to prevent the media from collapsing under pressure. The outcome of that media quality is 99% filtration efficiency at 23 microns. 23 microns is exceptionally fine filtration. If you're running full synthetic oil, this is the filter your engine deserves. Wix XP, number 1, and it's not particularly close. That's your complete ranked list. The 8 best synthetic oil filters of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly so the pricing is always current. If this video helped you make the right call on your next filter, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, do it now. We cover every major product category with this same level of depth, and there's a lot more coming this year. I'll see you in the next one.